Friday night marked a fiery escalation in Yemen's ongoing conflict as American fighter jets struck multiple Houthi positions in the provinces of Hudaydah and Saada. According to Houthi-affiliated media, 6 airstrikes targeted the Al-Fazaa area in Hudaydah, while another strike hit the Al-Sakain district in Saada. The precision of these strikes underscores Washington's intensifying involvement in the volatile region. Meanwhile, a high-ranking U.S. official revealed that the Secretary of Defense has opted to extend the mission of the USS Harry S. Truman aircraft carrier in the Middle East. Additionally, in a bold show of force, another carrier group has been ordered to deploy, heightening the American military presence in these contested waters. These moves signal a clear message to both regional players and international observers. The United States is committed to ensuring security and freedom of navigation in these critical maritime routes. As the skies over Yemen buzzed with American fighter jets, attention turned to a defiant response from the Houthi rebels themselves. A spokesperson for the Houthis claimed that their drones had targeted U.S. warships in the region, an assertion that, if confirmed, would represent a significant escalation in hostilities. This comes in the context of the Houthis' intensified reliance on Iranian support, bolstering their military capabilities and emboldening them on the battlefield. The mounting tensions trace back to last Saturday when the U.S. launched its latest series of airstrikes against the Houthis. According to American officials, these operations aim to safeguard freedom of navigation in vital waterways, including the Red Sea, an artery of global commerce. The Houthis, however, have actively challenged this justification, unabashedly claiming responsibility for attacks on commercial vessels transiting the area. Their actions have turned the Red Sea into a flashpoint, destabilizing international trade and amplifying the region's fragile security risks. The stakes in this conflict go beyond Yemen itself, extending to the power struggle between the U.S. and Iran. The Houthis, widely seen as a proxy for Tehran, have emerged as a key player in this geopolitical chess game. Their access to advanced weaponry, reportedly supplied by Iran, has made them a formidable force, capable of threatening not just Yemen's fragile peace, but also global maritime activity. The extension of the U.S. carrier strike group's mission in the region, coupled with increased airstrikes, reflects Washington's twin objectives: curbing Iranian influence and defending international shipping lanes. Yet every action risks magnifying the cycle of retaliation, drawing the world closer to broader conflict. As night falls over Yemen, the shadows of drones and fighter jets loom larger. The clash between the United States and the Houthis is more than a battle over territory. It is a clash of ideologies, geopolitical ambitions, and control over a region critical to global security. The question remains, how far will either side go and at what cost to the people caught in the crossfire? Pause, letting the viewer reflect on the gravity of the situation.